Hi everyone, wish you all happy Krishnastami. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. So today on the eve of Krishnastami, I am going to share you few important life lessons from the love story of divine couple Lord Krishna and Goddess Radharani. Essential life lessons to learn from Radha Krishna's love story. The love story of Radha and Krishna is perpetual and awe-inspiring, a symbol of the divine union between Paramatma and Jivatma, the universal self and the individual self. The tale of Shyam Sundar and Radhika is a beautiful legend celebrated across thousands of years, and Krishna's devotees across many generations are still fascinated by Radha Krishna's romance. The romance, the intimacy, the love between Radha and Krishna cannot be explained through the words. It's a divine form, and the intimacy cannot be measured in the materialistic world we live in. It's a soulful, it's a most wonderful love between a devotee and a divine. Without Radha, Krishna is incomplete, and without Shyam Sundar, Radha is incomplete. Some life lessons to learn from the love story of this divine couple. Showing unending devotion. Radhika, the goddess Shakti's avatar. Radhika, the goddess Shakti's avatar, was an ardent devotee of Devaki Nandan. And when the Lord played his flute in the beautiful forest of Vrindavan, in the full moonlight, the gopis listened to the tunes emanating from the Krishna's flute. Radha, on the contrary, used to be mesmerized that she would forget everything and start dancing around the Natak Krishna. So, if you truly love your partner, you will be completely devoted, just as Radha is devoted for Krishna. Deriving strength from your true love. Krishna was the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu and derived all his strength from Radha. There were many cow-herding maidens in Vrindavan who derived the love and company of Sri Krishna, but it was Radha to whom Shyam Sundar lost his heart. Though Krishna never married Radha, she was by the Lord's side during his entire stay in the holy. Their love story remains eternal. It means we must completely trust our partners through thick and thin, and making them as our strength and not weakness. Pure love is that one is always unconditional. In true sense of the word of love means sacrifice. It does not always mean not getting but also letting go. Radha always knew in her heart that Krishna would never marry her. However, that did not make any difference to their undying love for each other. Their love was spiritual on a sacred level and beyond the understanding of the materialistic world and its limitations. The true love is about sacrifice, and Krishna's paramount relationships are the highest spiritual excellence, and therefore Radha Krishna love for each other should never be perceived to form by the physical. Radha Krishna's romance and intimacy cannot be explained in the form of worldly or the materialistic terms. Radha's devotion for her love towards Krishna is proclaiming the ultimate union between soul and supreme Godhead. The eternal love between Radha and Krishna is beyond the human cognizance. I feel his romance and intimacy is not about the physical body, but it's beyond the soul, it's beyond the love, it's beyond the materialistic world which we are living in. Our perception towards the physical intimacy and romance should be changed, and the true love requires sacrifice. is more unconditional. That's what I learned from the story of Radha and Krishna. And thank you all for watching this video and wish you all happy festival. Celebrate with a high soul of love and courage. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Bye. And thank you all for watching this video and wish you all happy festival. Celebrate with the high soul of love and courage. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Bye.